Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Insurify to find coverage options for your zip code, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type Insurify into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Insurify website link. Once on the Insurify homepage, locate the search bar. Input your zip code into the search bar. Click on the Get Started button. Wait for the page to load the coverage options. Fill in any additional required information, such as your state and type of insurance. Select the specific coverage type you are interested in. Review the list of insurance options available in your area. Compare the different policies based on coverage and pricing. Click on any option for more detailed information. Take note of coverage limits and deductibles for each policy. If you find a suitable option, proceed to the application process. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary personal information. Complete any required forms to finalize your quote. Review your details thoroughly before submitting. Wait for confirmation of your application and coverage details. Explore the dashboard for personalized insurance options and tools. Return to Insurify anytime to update your information or explore new options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.